the problem is if the distance from where the building is observed is 90 feet from its base and the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 35. So we need to find the height of the building. So this our distance 35, our angle and our base is 90 feet. So we need to find the height and we need use SOHCAHTOA and the our need is TOA. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Tangent 35 degrees equals height over 90 feet. So we need use this 90 feet, then tangent and cross parenthesis 35 degrees. So we need copy the 90. So our 35 tangent is 0.7002. We're going to multiply the 90 and 0.7002. So the answer of our height is 63.018 feet. And this is our result of height, 63.018 feet. Therefore, the height of the building is approximately 63.018 feet.